What kind of space do you need to grow microgreens? In this video, I will be talking all about the space required to grow your own indoor farm. Stay tuned. So about 2 years ago, I decided to go to a farmer's market and I saw some microgreens on display at the vegetable produce. And I was like, you know what? I want to grow those. I want to see what they're all about. I had no idea how many different microgreens there even were. So I came home, looked on Amazon, found some seeds. I even went to the dollar store and bought a little tin tray and some soil and decided to grow my own greens. Within a week, I realized that we had a whole entire tray of food and how dang easy it was to grow. So you don't need a whole lot of space at all. We grew it right on our kitchen counter. As we expanded our business, we moved on to an entire green room. It's an indoor farm. We do not grow outdoors because of the elements. You never know the temperature. You can't control what's falling from the sky. There's so many reasons why we don't like to grow outdoors. There's critters. Indoors, everything is controlled. The temperature, the humidity. In this room, we have the space where we have that all dialed in, and it's very easy. We grow vertically, so there's no need to have acres and acres of land. Like, people give excuses all the time. Oh, I don't live on a farm, or I don't have that kind of space. Guess what? If you live in an apartment, if you live in a high-rise building and you only have a balcony, you can still grow microgreens.